Hey readers, today we're learning the short U sound. Get ready to read, move, and groove with me. Son, great reading. Bus. You're doing awesome. Cup. Say it with me. Bug. Or, run. We're running into great reading.
Sun, feel the fun. Bus, don't rush. Cup, lift it up. Bug, give a hug. Run. Reading's fun.
Hey friends, if you had fun reading with the beat today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend who's learning to read too. And guess what? This is just one part of our phonics adventure. Be sure to watch the full CVC words playlist so you can practice all the short vowel sounds A, E, I, O, and U with Journey. Keep reading, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, friends!